girls, today I want to give you a little master class on this sweater. I knitted this sweater with the top-down raglan technique. It is size 46 to 48. I used 450 grams of yarn. So the length of the sweater turned out 58 centimeters with 3. 59 centimeters. The length of the raglan is 30 centimeters. I knitted with an interesting pattern called a bubbles or droplets, or well, call these airy things whatever you like. A very beautiful, very soft, very delicate sweater turned out. Now we will knit this pattern together. So I cast on 2 pattern repeats, knitted a small rib, and the pattern repeat consists of 8 stitches. I cast on 16 stitches on the needles plus 2 edge stitches. So the first row of our pattern after the rib, knit in stockinette stitch. The first row, all stitches are knit, and we knit like this to the very end. All stitches are knit stitches, and the edge stitch with the purl stitch. Turn our piece over and knit the next row with all purl stitches. Slip the edge stitch and knit purl stitches. We need to knit 6 rows in stockinette stitch. We'll meet in the 7th row. We have knitted 6 rows in height with stockinette stitch. Now we begin to knit our pattern. Slip the edge stitch, the second knit stitch. Unravel 4 rows down. 1, 2, 4. Yes, insert the needle into the 5th stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through and knit. 1, 2, 3 into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th stitch, see, in the 5th stitch under the threads, I catch this thread and here I grab the stitch, pull it out. That's it. Again, 1, 2, 3 knit stitches. Fourth stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 5th, insert the needle and pull out the stitch. 1, 2, 3. Drop the 4th one, 1, 2, 3. Of 4, I insert the needle into the 5th and pull out the loop and 3 knit stitches and the edge stitch. Purl row, all purl stitches. Thus, this is what we have. Again, we start knitting from the 1st to the 6th row with the stockinette stitch. We will meet at the 7th row. We have knitted 6 rows in stockinette stitch, and now we will knit in a checkerboard pattern. We slip the first edge stitch and knit 3 knit stitches. We drop the 4th stitch and unravel 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the needle into the 5th stitch and pull out the loop, 3 knit stitches. So the fourth drop for 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the needle into the fifth. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead, 3, 4, like that. Purl, purl, row, purl stitches. Only he could cause confusion. We have knitted with you two. Rapporto in height, we get such bubbles. Next we knit 6 rows in stockinette, stitch and start from the first row. Well, as you can see, it is very easy. This is how the bubbles turn out. Easy stitches to you, bye bye.